Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today, I will guide you on how to generate your own logo using AI using two very simple methods. The first method uses Graffiti Write to generate strong AI prompts and Ideogram.ai to bring them to life. Let's dive in. The first step is get your killer prompt from Gravity Write. Navigate to the image prompt section, specifically looking for logo design ideas. You'll see fields to enter brand names and describe brand. Fill this in. Gravity Write will generate several prompt options. Read through them and copy the one you like best. This will be your killer prompt. Now the second step is generate your logo on ideogram.ai. In the main text input field, paste the prompt you copied from Gravity Write. Below the input field, you might see an expanded panel with options. If so, click Collapse to minimize it. To the right of the prompt field, you will see various attributes. Choose your desired attributes. Below the attributes, select your aspect ratio. For a standard logo, 1:1, that is a square, is usually a good choice. Ensure the model version is set to v0.2 or the latest available version. Finally, click Generate. Ideogram.ai will then process your prompt and present you with multiple logo design choices. You can save your favorite directly from the platform. Now for the second method, it's logomaker.com. This tutorial also focuses on using logomaker.com without the E to create a logo, demonstrating both AI-guided and manual design options. We will use Zenith Tech Solutions as our example company. On the homepage, you'll see a couple of options on the ribbon section. Click on the AI logo generator option. Now, let's create our Zenith Tech Solutions company together. Put company name, enter Zenith Tech Solutions, choose a tone for your image, select options that fit your brand, e.g. modern, professional, innovative. Do you have an image icon in mind? If you have a specific icon idea, e.g. a Z, a network symbol, click yes, I already have an icon in mind. If not, click the no button below it. Describe image that you have in mind. If you chose yes in the previous step, describe it here, e.g. abstract Z mark, interconnected nodes. If you chose no, you can still add keywords here, e.g. a technology, data, network, innovation. Now go ahead and choose a design style. Select styles that align with Zenith Tech Solutions like geometric, abstract, minimalist. Theme color for a tech company, aquas, which is blues or greens, grays or purples could work well. Let's go with aquas. Review your choices carefully before submitting them. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. Finally, click on the Generate an Original Logo button. Wait for the AI to load. You'll then be able to choose from a great supply of generated logos. If you find one you like but need to make an edit, e.g. adjust colors, change font, resize elements, just click on the edit button next to it. When you are content with your design, click on the purchase button. Choose your desired package. They often have different resolutions or file types, and proceed to the checkout tab. And a tip you must know is that Logo Maker has a manual control feature on it. From the logomaker.com homepage, click on the Start My Design tab. You'll be presented with a blank canvas. Here you can use the search bar to find specific icons. You can also click the text tool here, that is add Zenith Tech Solutions, and then customize the font, size, and color. Use the color palettes and tools to apply your desired aquas, grays, or other colors to your icons and text. Drag and drop elements to create your desired layout. Once your manual design is complete, you can click on the purchase button to proceed with saving your logo. And just like that, you are all done. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.